Hey everyone, and welcome back to Best Tendency. Today, we're diving into something that's been revolutionizing home fitness for so many people, and frankly, I'm pretty excited to share my full experience with it. If you've been dreaming of bringing the power of Reformer Pilates into your home without breaking the bank, then stick around, because we're talking about the JANUA Pilates Board. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and the purchase link with the best deal on Amazon in the description below. Now, you might have seen these popping up everywhere, and for good reason. This isn't just another piece of exercise equipment. It's a 5-in-1 Pilates sliding board that aims to give you a full-body workout right from your living room. The JANUA Pilates board truly stands out as a compact solution for Pilates at home. Let's talk about what makes this board so special. First off, its multi-purpose foldable Pilates Reformer board design is a game-changer for anyone with limited space. At just 42-inch dx16 wx1.5 when stored, it's incredibly compact. And yes, it comes in a sleek purple color, a nice touch for your home workout setup. This is why it's quickly becoming one of the best foldable Pilates reformers on the market. The core of the JANUA Pilates board experience lies in its elastic resistance straps, offering customizable tension for all fitness levels. They even include a smart timer for precise training time and a phone holder, which is brilliant for following Pilates board exercises or watching your favorite fitness videos, truly enhancing your Pilates board workout. It helps you stay consistent and fit at home. So, after spending considerable time with the JANUA Pilates board and digging into what other users are saying in their JANUA Pilates board reviews, here's the scoop on the good stuff. Many, like me, find it incredibly lightweight and easy to store, making it a dream for apartments or smaller spaces. It genuinely makes working out fun and easy, and I've certainly felt a difference in my strength, especially my core. Customers consistently praise its effectiveness for core workouts and its general ease of use. It's a fantastic, affordable alternative to a full-sized, often $800 plus Reformer set, making Reformer Pilates accessible to more people. This is undoubtedly one of the best Pilates boards for home use. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows, and it's important to be completely honest. While it offers high-tension support, some users, including myself, have concerns about the durability of the rubber resistance bands over time. There have been mixed reviews on the build quality. While some find it solid, others describe it as feeling a bit flimsy, with concerns about the plastic material quality. A common point of feedback is the stability. It can move if not braced against a wall, which might limit some Pilates board exercises. So, while it's fantastic for many, it might not be as rock-solid as a traditional, expensive reformer. It's not a direct replacement, but a very capable alternative for your home gym equipment reviews consideration. So, who is the JANUA Pilates board for? If you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into Pilates for beginners, or someone who needs a compact, versatile piece of equipment for full-body Pilates workouts without the hefty price tag, this is absolutely worth considering. It's certainly one of the top Pilates boards for convenience and versatility. The JANUA Pilates board offers a unique blend of convenience, versatility, and accessibility for your home fitness journey. It's designed to help you achieve your fitness goals at home. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and let me know in the comments if you've tried the JANUA Pilates board or have any questions. Stay fit, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.